video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a advanced warning zone script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just have to click over here and get the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file. Now open the file, then copy this file from here. Then paste it into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be pasting it over here. Just like this. Now open this setup folder. Over here we just have to run this SQL. Open your head SQL. Select your server. Then click on run. Now open the script. Go to configs. Then config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. Over here you can add your server's name. So I'll be changing the name over here. So this is the command to open the warning zone panel. So I'll be keeping it on true. And this is the shortcut key to open the panel. And over here you can configure the allowed jobs to access the panel. So I'll be keeping it default for now. Now we need to download the dependency of the script, which is stglib. So let's download it from here. Now extract the file into your FiveM resource folder. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now and I have the police job over here with me, as you can see. Now let's open the panel with the keybind of F7. So this is the zone panel over here. These are the ready-made categories for the zone over here. For now, let's create a zone for bank robbery. For that, we just have to click on go to creation. Now over here, we have to set the zone's meter. So I'll be setting it on 50 meters. And we have to set the danger value. So I'll be setting to 5. Here we can set the time for the zone. So I'll be setting it to 2. Then click on continue creating. Now again click on continue creating. Now let's open the map. So this is a zone over here which we have created just right now, as you can see. Now let's get out from the zone. So I'll be spawning a car over here. So as we came out, we got a notification you have moved away from the warned area. So now let's get inside again. Now again we got a new notification. Suppose if you want to create a custom zone for a situation, then you just have to click over here. You can add an image over here, the name of the zone, the description, meter, danger value, time and all. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.